Welcome back. Ex-Army Chief General VK Singh, commenting upon the crash of Chetak Helicopter in Goa, has said that India should develop competent infrastructure for procurement and maintenance of armed forces air fleets. General Singh also said the demarcation of border area along with China is a very serious issue pending before the country.
We have ex-Army Chief General VK Singh to talk about the national security and the state of the nation. Sir, first one thing I want to your comment that yesterday one Chetak helicopter got crashed here in Goa, and the MiG fighters are also suffering from the aging problem. So what is your suggestion? Why bad infrastructure is causing army?
See, it has got very many facets. At the moment, we do not know what caused the accident. Till the time that is determined, it will be very difficult to say what was the cause. Chetak helicopters are serving pretty well. We are able to maintain them well. It is a very simple aircraft to manage. It is a type of aircraft that has given a lot of good life to India. Till the time you don't get an equivalently good aircraft, it will be difficult to change it. And that procurement procedure of ours is very long. As a nation, I think we need to think what we can do by which we don't have to depend for procurements from other countries. Why can't we develop our own things? We have been doing it for such a long time. Why can't we have a joint venture?
One more thing is there, when we think about national security, the matter comes of China. Even as a class 8 student, you have written a poem, the last line says about China.
Yeah, because the war had taken place at that time.
Yeah, but the situation is same right now. They are encroaching our border areas again and again, and their presence in POK. So what is remedy of it?
See, they are not, there is no encroachment. First of all, let's be quite clear. There is a perceptual difference on the line of actual control. And the reason is that the maps we got from China in 1959 and then onwards are maps which are of 5 million, 1:10 million scale, in which if you have to transpose that line on ground, it will occupy 10 to 15 kilometers. So obviously, I mean, he looks at it differently, you look at it differently. Now this perceptual problem can only be sorted out if both the nations agree jointly to demarcate what they consider as border. Before that, you have to politically settle what is whose territory. Now, till the time that is not settled, this problem will remain. What is needed is that from our side, we should be prepared fully so that we are never caught napping as we were caught in 1962.
My last question is that Pakistan cricket team is supposed to visit us in December. When the Pakistan has some financial problem, then they come to solve problems with us. So how do you want to take this thing that cricket ties are, it's okay, but what about other issues?
See, improvement of relations with our neighbors should always be done. Like I said, you can choose your friends, your enemies, but you can't choose your neighbors. They are there permanently with you. Good relations help both the nations. And I think whatever efforts can be made to improve the relations, that will be good for the country. The main issue is how to remove the trust deficit that exists between both the countries. Now that is what should occupy minds of most of the people to see what we can do about it.
Thank you very much, sir, talking with us. I am Mukesh Kumar with camera person Sushant Paul from Panji.
District and Session Court of Madgaon on Wednesday rejected bail application of 15 people involved in riots at Lotuli. Villagers of Lotuli had earlier burnt the house of the landlord of the alleged accused in the Luis Baptista case.
15 bail applications were today heard before the court. It was submitted on behalf of the prosecution that the police have done ample investigation in this case. Statements of eyewitnesses were recorded, and it is available from the investigation papers that here is a case where each of these 14 people were involved, not only actively participating in the offense, but they were the ones who were actually responsible for instigating and provoking the crowd in the village. Various items which were used during the incident are recovered.
Tourism Department began check allotment through lot system on Wednesday. Allotment of North Goa was held on Wednesday, whereas distribution for South will be held on Thursday. Around 223 cheques were allotted to North Goa.
The draw was conducted at Miramar Residency on Wednesday. It was carried on in the presence of Tourism Director, tourism officials and shack owners. President of Shack Owners Welfare Society, Cruz Cardo, said that 223 shacks were allotted through a draw of lots in North Coastal Belt, and they were happy with the transparent system conducted by the Tourism Department.
आयजो टुरिजमान नॉर्थ गोवाचो अलॉटमेंट केला बरो ट्रान्सपरंट बरो भाशेन जाला अलॉटमेंट कांय ना हेंकी पेंकी कांय ना नॉर्थाची आनी फाल्यां आमचे सावथाची आहा मागता डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन अशें करून आमचें बरें ट्रान्सपरंट मॅनराचेर करपाक टोटल नॉर्थाची 223 and Southern 106.
A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Khadi, with video journalist Omkar Fahari.
Anti-narcotic cell of Goa police arrested Munna Khan with illegal possession of around 3 kgs of charas. The cost of this charas is amounting to ₹5 lakhs in the international market.
Trap was laid and the person was apprehended, and from his possession the team was able to recover 3 kilogram of charas. 3 kilogram at 0.15 kilogram of charas, and the approximate value of this contraband is almost 5 lakhs in the international market. Yes, the person, the preliminary interrogation and investigation has revealed that the person's name is Munna Khan. He actually hails from a place called Devariya in Uttar Pradesh.
Our video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.